Namaste, I'm Dr. Shaini Linu. I have over 15 years of experience in the field of Ayurveda. Let me share with you one of the success stories of my patients that I have treated. One of my patients consulted me through online consultation for severe acidity and bloating issues. I took a detailed consultation to understand more about her body, mental condition and her disease. She had excess burping along with severe acidity, and she used to get a kind of cough or throat irritation, and she wanted to spit it out always, like frequently she used to spit it out. Towards evening she used to feel more fatigued, and because of severe acidity issues her eyes used to get strained and she used to get heaviness around her eyes. She couldn't tolerate even the slightest of the hot natured food, not even warm water. She used to get loose motions. Earlier these symptoms were seen only during summers, but then slowly it started appearing more frequently. Work stress was already there, and now an additional stress about her health because she couldn't eat a normal diet. She had tried with the allopathic medications which gave her only temporary results. After taking a detailed history, I analyzed her body type as predominantly Pitta Prakriti. There was vitiation of all the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, predominantly being Pitta. I diagnosed it as Amla Pitta, which can also be called as acid peptic disease, hyperacidity or gastritis. My patient was from San Jose, California. So it was difficult for her to come to India to take the Panchakarma treatments. So I suggested her few Ayurvedic medications like Avipatti Churnam, Aragvadamrutadi Kashayam, Kairali's Spazyme syrup and Dhanvantaram Gulika. Along with this, I suggested her diet and lifestyle changes to manage her acidity and mental stress. Considering the place where she was living, procuring the medicines took some time. So meanwhile, I suggested her to start with some home remedies which gave her great results. She got 50% results even before starting the medicines. Then she received Kairali's Spazyme syrup, and this further improved her condition. After receiving the complete course of medicines, she took it religiously for 1 month and she got around 85% relief within just 1 month. All her symptoms were cleared except for the heaviness in the eyes and sometimes a burning sensation in the throat. As she was feeling better, she didn't take follow-ups on time and her medicines got exhausted. And meanwhile, she started eating from out, and whenever she had spicy food, few of her symptoms flared up. Then I made her understand about importance of maintaining the diet throughout the course of the treatment, and one needs to eat or maintain a diet and lifestyle according to her or his body type. Then during the further follow-ups, I changed the medicines accordingly, like depending upon the stage of the disease, I changed the medicine. Then she took the medicines properly, and at the end of the treatment, she got 98% results. I have suggested how to maintain her diet and lifestyle further and the precautions that she need to take if she has to eat out. I have also suggested to take Panchakarma treatments once she is in India. Ayurveda always treats a person by understanding the root cause of the disease. It is the holistic approach that gives better results.